Okay, good day again, everyone. Welcome to today's virtual lesson on Technique 52 entitled Make Compliance Visible. And I'm Karen D. Lagawad, one of your instructors for today's session. And I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. Is everyone present? Okay, very good. So this lesson is to explore a classroom management technique that focuses on ensuring clear expectations and visible compliance from students. So we'll delve into the benefits of this approach and how it can contribute to a more structured and productive learning environment. So this technique is particularly relevant for teachers looking to improve classroom management and foster a sense of responsibility among their students. So before we're going to proceed on our topic is let's first read and know the objectives of this lesson. So first is to understand the benefits of making compliance visible in the classroom and identifying key elements of this technique such as clear expectations and accountability. And lastly is to apply this technique to your own classroom management. So it says here that this technique focuses on ensuring that students follow instructions clearly and that their compliance is evident to everyone in the classroom. So it's about setting a standard of high compliance and making it visible to students and to the teachers. Now let's proceed to the benefits of this technique making compliance visible. So first here is we have here the clear expectation wherein students know exactly what's expected of them, reducing confusion and misbehavior. Next is accountability wherein students are held responsible for their action, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. And lastly is of course positive reinforcement wherein good behavior is recognized and encouraged, creating a positive learning environment. So for example is we have here the document suggests using short one task instruction wherein for example is instead of saying pencil down and eyes on me, simply says pencil down. Okay, so this makes it easier to track which students are ready to continue than attempting to make an eye contact with each student individually. Okay, so for our short evaluation questions is we will be going to answer questions and I will be giving you 20 seconds to answer every questions. Okay, so if you know the answer you can raise your hand and you only have 20 seconds to answer this question. Okay, very good. So our first question is what are the three main benefits of making compliance visible? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, very good. It is indeed clear expectations, accountability, and positive reinforcement. Okay, for the second question is what is suggested approach to giving instructions? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, very good. It is use short and one task instruction. Okay, very good. So for our third question is how does making compliance visible help create a positive learning environment? Okay, your time starts now. Okay, very good. It is indeed by recognizing and encouraging good behavior. So today that we explore the Make Compliance Visible technique for classroom management, we learned that clear expectation and visible compliance are crucial for a productive learning environment. And this technique fosters a sense of accountability and responsibility among students. And of course, using short one-task instructions can make compliance easier to track. And lastly is it is recognizing and encouraging good behavior creates a positive learning environment. Okay? Gets ba, class? Okay. Thank you for listening, and I hope you're going to apply these techniques, especially on our uh, first technique we're in the board and paper, and I hope you learned something on that, and especially for today's discussion. Okay, thank you class, and goodbye.